Hello, students. We are in the chapter of cultural emergence, cultural emergence, and cultural emergence,
Emergence of
regional culture, emergence of regional culture. And in previous video, we discussed about growth of languages like Sanskrit, Hindi, Punjabi, Telugu, and some religious culture like Jagannath cult, the Rajputs of Rajputana. Now, today we discuss florizing dance form. India has a glorious dance tradition since ancient time. First, we discuss about Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam mainly related to South India, Tamil Nadu. The girls who performed this dance was called Devadasi, who devoted their entire life to the service of the deity. Many Chola sculptures depicted the features of this dance form. It was only in the 20th century when this dance form began to perform outside the temple. In previous, this type of Bharatnatyam occurred in temple and temple related work. Second one is Kathakali, a dance from Kathakali developed in Kerala as a kind of dance drama with elaborate makeup and colorful costumes. These dance form generally takes up some stories from the epic of Ramayana and Mahabharata. The depict of victory of the truth over evil. Kathakali. Third one is Kuchipudi. Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, and it combines music, dance, and acting of depict scenes from epics and other mythology. Odissi. Odissi originated in Odisha and based on devotion of the Lord Krishna. After that, Kathak. Kathak dance originated as an art of the storytelling in the temple of North India, where the storytellers or the Kathaks made their stories interesting by adding gestures, कई तरह के इशारों का इस्तेमाल, and song. The Kathak related to legends of Radha Krishna and the two gharanas. First one is Rajasthan and other is Lucknow, that have to patronize the Kathak. Kathak as a dance form of spread all over northern India. Intricate and rapid footwork, elaborate costumes, and enactment of the stories become a special feature of the dance form. The trading of miniature painting. Miniature means a small size painting, Laghu Chitra. Mughal rulers were great patrons of the painting, and miniatures are a small sized painting generally done in watercolor on the cloth and paper. Mughal Emperor Mughal Emperor Jahangir, during the reign, patronage painting became most popular. And the decline of Mughal Empire, many artisans went to Rajasthan and Himachal Pradesh court, developed two special traditions of Gharanas of Rajputana and Kangra school of miniature painting. A variety of interesting features of medieval India is the emergence of regional culture. These regional culture traits emerge as a result of intermixing of local traditions. Traits कुछ अलग तरह के लक्षण that emerge in local tradition, that's result a special type of a new type of culture. The rise of regional culture enrich in unique diversity of India. Regional culture in Bengal. Bengal has always enjoyed a rich culture heritage. They have variety of song, dance, language and literature have always been the pride of Bengal. Bengal have a special distinct language, that is Bengali. It is derived from Sanskrit, Persian, tribal and European language. And the blending mixture, मतलब ये चार जो भाषा हुई, संस्कृत, पर्शियन, ट्राइबल और यूरोपियन, दैट इज ब्लेंडिंग, मिश्रण of the world from many language make Bangla a very rich language. Poet like Jaidev make Geet Gobind, and the rich culture heritage of Bengal can also be seen in the varied folk music and folk music instrument like bansi, behala, iktara, and musical instrument like sitar, sarod, tanpura, tabla, harmonium. These are. And a folk drama called Jatra is another contribution of Bangla culture. Also, thatched hut in a village and made from a special figure, a special type of figure, began to the worship of the in bricks and terracotta temple. And also they have distinct food habitat due to the availability of various river. Bengali are fish lover, and also in this area Brahmans who never had non-vegetarian food made an exception in Bengal. Bengali Brahmans too become fish eater. Thus fish emerged as an essential food for the people in Bengal. Okay, in next video we discuss about question answer, and this one is that say that when the language of the two nations are same, then the emergence of two states, just like here England and France. Okay, thank you.